Welcome back to our channel Side Explores. This time we visited a place called Chhota Ladakh. It's very close to Kolar and we had a fun time. So this vlog is all about that. So for people who don't know, Chhota Ladakh, officially known as Dodda Ayur, is a small village located near Kolar. This charming destination has generated its name from the scenic landscape which pretty much resembles like Ladakh, hence the name Chhota Ladakh. Very close to Bangalore, just 60 km, and if you want to witness a perfect sunset, then we would suggest you visit this place once and escape the hustle bustle of the city and just soak into nature. The most beautiful aspect of this place is the roads, right? Because you're entering narrow old villages and very scenic roads. You could see it in the video. So if you like to go for a long drive, then you know where to head. Chhota Ladakh. And you have small lakes like this. Just spend some time there, have fun with your family, or maybe do a picnic. So watch the vlog till the end. This is cucumber, chutney, dal,
And
biryani.
then that's kind of biryani.
We got lunch packed from home.
We have reached Chhota Ladakh. This is our third time coming over here. We are in the evening and it's quite cool, but in the base it was quite hot. But when you climb up over here, it's quite windy. If you are planning to come here, you better come in the morning or in the evening. You can see it's surrounded by small hills. Let's go and check the depth of the water. Let's go and check it out, how it looks right now. There are a couple of people over here. You can see a lot of bikers over here. Stylish, already there with Justin, feeling really nice. Look at that, sunset gonna happen. There's the water.
Chhota Ladakh. You might have seen the view, a beautiful place to hang out. You have the two gundas there. Just you. Sunset, you could see the view, the audience and the landscape. And if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Do subscribe. Wow man, look at this.
We finally found this place just opposite to Chhota Ladakh, and here we are sitting underneath the tree. Very breezy, breathing in fresh air. Such a lovely place. Silesh is over here.
Peacock.
Yeah.
This is our wonderful initiative to reconnect with nature and embrace sustainable living. We love experiencing village life to understand our roots, and it also helps in promoting our well-being. We love sharing our experiences as an inspiration and to appreciate the simplicity that comes from nature. So if you are also one of those, please hit that subscribe button. More village videos to come.
Let's try to make the biggest puri. Salish. We are trying to make biggest puri. And then
Tiranga.
you can see the colors over here.
Puri in the making, people.
We are experimenting trying this huge puri, but then we had a very small kadai, and let's see if it's going to be exactly like puri.
Long live India.
Look at this, how it has turned. Failed. This is orange. Now this is the correct way. Oh yeah. Oil is bubbling and you can see the puri getting puffed up. This has come out to be like this. Actually, it tastes good, by the way. No, eat this. Yay!